the depths of the ocean, where the coral reefs sway, lived a little baby shark who loved to dance and play. He'd swim around with his family, singing a happy tune. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark joined in with a smile so bright. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do. They sang with delight. Grandma shark and Grandpa shark danced with glee. The whole shark family having fun in the sea. They chased each other through the ocean blue, playing hide and seek with a do-do or two. Their laughter echoed through the coral sea. A joyful shark family, happy as can be. The baby shark twirled and spun with glee, a dancing star in the ocean's spree. His family cheered as he danced with flair. Baby shark, you're the best, beyond compare. The shark family swam and played all day in the ocean's waves. They dance and sway. Their song echoed through the sea. So blue, baby shark, do-do-do. They'd sing anew.